welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to create this very easy nude makeup look using just 3 products from Kiro Beauty. So without any further ado, let's dive into this. But before that, subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification so that you never miss an update whenever I post a new video. Let's talk about the brand Kiro. I personally love the products and the quality of them, so I thought I should share my experience with you all. So ladies, meet Kiro, a new Indian beauty brand that has crafted a range of impactful color cosmetics that's good for you. Kiro's formulas make this a possibility with skin-friendly ingredients and high-performance products. Kiro is a clean beauty makeup brand that upholds our stony belief that you should indulge in makeup which is filled with goodness. With Kiro, you get makeup which is high performing and infused with the goodness of skincare. So don't compromise and be smarter with Kiro. So there are a few reasons to love Kiro products. First, they are infused with skincare products, 100% vegan, no parabens, it's cruelty free, PETA certified and toxin free. So now let's talk about the products that I have used today for my makeup. So first product is this Super Butter Lip Lacquer. I have in shade Rosewood. Are you tired of trading chapped lips for colored pout? What about a formulation that colors and conditions your lips in one swipe? Kiro Beauty's Super Butter Lip Lacquer is a high shine super moisturizing formula designed to give your lips a plumper, shinier appearance. A kiss of nature and trust of science that's toxin free, guilt free and truly good for you and your lips.
It's created using 5 butter blends: moisturizing murmuru butter, healing mango butter, hydrating cocoa butter, restorative cocoa butter and softening shea butter.
The multi-butter formula makes sure that your lips don't get chapped and provides immense hydration without any stiffness.
The texture is highly pigmented and quite buttery. I used it to my lips as a moisturizer and to my cheeks as a blush. It has blended quite nicely to my cheeks and nose as well, and it gives a very creamy kind of effect to me, which I loved.
The product that I have is this long wear brightening eyeshadow stick. I have in shade Nude Pearl, which is 04. I love this product. You can use this as a highlighter, you can use this as an eyeshadow. It is a multi-purpose product basically. It is easy to carry and very travel friendly. The long wear brightening eyeshadow stick gets you looking glam in absolutely no time. This creamy indulgence is weightless, high on pigmentation and glides on easily without all that tugging trouble. It is infused with subtle shimmer that accentuates your eyes to get everyday ready on the go. It soothes and nourishes your skin with every glide. So ditch that intricate eyeshadow palettes and get the hassle-free, easily blendable, waterproof eyeshadow stick. And let your eyes do all the talking.
I use this eyeshadow stick as a highlighter. So I applied it to my brow bones and high points to highlight my face. I used it as an eyeshadow as well. It's super blendable and easy to carry. I am obsessed with this eyeshadow stick now.
Next product is Non-Stop Airy Matte Liquid Lip. I have used shade Cinnamon Nude. This ultra modern matte liquid lipstick is your ultimate finisher. Its velvety smooth texture is light and weightless. After applying it, you won't even know that you are wearing it. It's crafted with natural and non-toxic ingredients.
Its super hydrating formula and intense color payoff gives you plush and pampered looking lips all through the day. It's non-transferable as well. Among the 20 phenomenal colors, they have created nude shades that suits the Indian skin tones, so you can enjoy the nude fad every day. The brand has provided very cute colorful packagings as well for these products.
That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. All the details about the product and the brand I'll be mentioning in the description box, so don't forget to check it. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you all so much, and I'll see you with a brand new one. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.